Hey, it's Annie. Today I am going to do an empties video. I feel like I just did one of these, so I have a lot of empties. Some of this is in my recycling bin, and some of them I just have to go through because I use this as my recycling bin and my empties. I have been using this for a while. This is the Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides. I just mentioned this in one of my latest videos where I was talking about weight loss and how I stay fit. I love this. So I started using this a year ago. Then I stopped for a little bit because we were moving and I just didn't have time to pull it. Like, we were on the road, okay? I didn't have time to do this. So I kind of stopped doing it and then I started back up again. I love this. Now I use the unflavored. What it is a collagen powder. So it's good for your hair, skin, and nails. And it has in here, I think one scoop has 70 calories and has 18 grams of protein. So I usually always put 2 scoops of this in my coffee in the morning. I personally do not taste anything. Now last time I shared this, somebody said they were looking at reviews and some people said it tasted like fish. Okay, if this tasted like fish, I would not be drinking that. That is nasty. So I don't know if there was something wrong with it. I don't know what to tell you. All I know is this does not taste fishy at all. And I put in my coffee every single day. I am enjoying this, would definitely recommend it. It's been a repurchase. I just, like, mine just ran out. Like, before I run out, I make sure I have another one to go because I don't want to go without it. One of my favorite liners is from NARS and it's the Larger Than Life. I just, here, yeah, I can't push it up anymore. It has, like, there's a tiny bit left on there, but okay, this is what I stupidly did. I'm just gonna tell you this really quickly. I wear reading glasses, okay? So when I think I've done this twice now actually, because this is not my first one. I've sharpened this so many times already. So the first time I got it, I thought I learned my lesson and I did it again. You don't want to sharpen this. This is, all you have to do is push it up. I sharpened it and it made this area like sharp. Yeah, I'm an idiot. I've done it. But I really, really love it. I have repurchased it. I need to get a new one. I didn't. That's the only thing I don't like about those ones that go like that. You don't know when it's getting to the end and then you're like, oh. So you almost have to have a backup when you think you're gonna run out. And I didn't do that. Lashes that I am wearing are the Ardell Wispy Faux Mink. I love them. So that's it right there. That's the little, I usually keep these because I like to be able to put my lashes that I'm using back on it, use it as a tray. And as I said, I'm wearing them today. I really love them. When I first got them, I felt like the band was kind of tight. I don't know if I'm just getting used to putting my lashes on again or what. I did share a video on how to apply eyelashes. If I can remember, I will link it here or there or something so you guys can watch that video. But I'm getting better at it. So maybe eventually I'll update that video because, you know, the thing about putting eyelashes on is the more you practice, the faster it gets, the easier it is, just so you know. So don't be frustrated with it when you're practicing, but I really love them. I love the length of them. It really opens up my eyes. I don't think they look like they're too much for every day. So I feel like they're nice lashes to wear when I'm going out or for every day. I really like them. I tried the Nip and Fab Exfoliate. I don't know if I might have another one of these actually. I might have picked up 2 of these from Marshall's, and this has, these are exfoliating facial pads that have glycolic acid in it. It says it has hyaluronic acid in it as well, aloe vera. I liked these. I don't think I would spend any more than I did on them. They were okay. What I do like about them, I don't know, I guess I just like my Glow Tonic. I don't know how much glycolic acid is in this. Just didn't feel like it was enough for my skin. The thing that I did like about it is I liked how compact it was. You just open it up, you didn't have to get your cotton square. It's just really compact and I like that. So it's nice for traveling, but I wouldn't repurchase it. I don't think I had this in my last empties. Oh my gosh, I'm sure I emptied. Yeah, I don't think so. I just recently I opened up a new one of these. This is the Beauty Blender Pro soap. I got this last Christmas, this one, and I just opened up a new one, okay? So it lasted me a long time, that soap. I love this soap. So I use this to cleanse, so you can't see. It's gross though. What's left in there is pretty gross. I use this to clean my beauty blender. I use it to clean my brushes. I don't find it to be too dry for my brushes. I really like this one. One of the toothpaste that I use that I really enjoy is the Crest Complete. This is the scope, has a scope in it. I really like this. Just leaves my mouth feeling fresh for the day. And I kind of go between two. So I use one that's for whitening as well. So I use the Crest 3D White in the Brilliance. I have to go to the store today and get more. The Brilliance Blast. So this also, I believe, has mouthwash in it too. Is that why it tastes so fresh? But this is what I use on my teeth. I don't use a teeth whitener right now. I was doing that, but I feel like my teeth have gotten really sensitive. I mean, really sensitive to that. I even have to be careful with this. So what I do is I use this one day, and then I'll use this, and I kind of go back and forth. So I'm not just using this all the time, because even if I use a whitening toothpaste, my teeth will get sensitive. But I really have to take good care of my teeth because I drink coffee. So I'm never going to have really, really white teeth. But I don't have, my teeth look pretty good for someone that drinks as much coffee as I do. So here's another one of my collection. I will leave the links below for everything that I'm talking about in the video today. This is my Donna Karan Cashmere deodorant. I love this. I'm sorry about the garbage men. They are driving me nuts today. This is like the third time they've been on my block. We're just gonna ignore it, okay? Okay. I love this deodorant. It keeps me feeling fresh and dry. I pick mine up at the Nordstrom sale every year. You guys, when I share the good stuff at the Nordstrom sale, you guys have to jump on it because there's some great deals. I don't think it's until August. I think that's when it is. But I bought a set of these at the, like a couple of years ago, I bought a set of them. I only went through 2 in a year. Was it 2? 2 of them in a year. But I thought I better pick up another one. So then I had 4. So I am going to be set with deodorant for a while. So I probably won't even pick it up at the next sale. But it is so good. This lasts longer than my drugstore that I used to use. I used to use the Secret, what was it? It was really expensive. I can't remember what it was, but it was really expensive deodorant because I have an issue and I need to use something that's gonna work. I've tried natural deodorants. Every time I use a natural deodorant, it just makes my pits itchy. I just have an issue every single time I've tried something I have. So this is what works for me. This is what I'm sticking with. Would definitely recommend it. You won't be sorry. You're not going to go through it like crazy, but definitely make sure to remember to look for it at the sale too this year. Okay, so I just shared this recently and I had a giveaway. This is my Emile Cordon. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it sounds French when I say it that way. So this is the Emile Cordon lip balm. This was in the flavor Lisa. And I love it. You can see I scraped it out. I absolutely love this balm. This lasted me a year. It kept my lips from getting all dry and cracked and peely and whatever. I absolutely adore this. Would definitely recommend it to anybody. I love it. This is the best hand cream you will ever get. This is from Neutrogena. This is the Norwegian formula hand cream. This is the best hand cream you will ever buy. So don't spend a lot of money on hand cream. Don't. I used to have such dry hands and cracked hands that they would split and crack and bleed, and I could barely wash my hands in water without pain because I had cuts all over my fingers. I'm not kidding you. And that wasn't when I was doing hair. That was just at home from washing my hands and whatever. This is the best hand cream ever. This is what got me out of that vicious cycle of my hands. And so many people have complimented, like, you have nice hands, thank you. And it's because of this. I actually use it on my feet too. I always make sure I have backups of it. I will never go without this best hand cream ever. This is my holy grail powder. Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter is my favorite powder. I wish I could find one that's less expensive because it is really expensive. I feel like I go through this way too fast, but I haven't found one that works as well. So if you guys have used this and you know of one that is just as good but less expensive, let me know in the comments. Any luxury brands out there that are similar, let me know. I've been looking and so many of them have shimmers in it. I don't want shimmers in my powder. I just want powder. That's why I love this. is because it doesn't look or feel like I'm wearing powder. That's why I love it. It sets my makeup, but it doesn't look or feel like I have any powder on it. So I know she has a loose powder. I've been thinking of trying it, but then so many people say it smells funny, and I don't know that I want something that smells funny. You know what I mean? I don't know. So what's in there that's making that smell? That's the only thing that I'm not sure about. That is it. Thank you so much for looking through my trash with me. But I love watching these videos because I feel like it's a good indication when somebody's using something, they use it all up. That's a better way of saying, you know, of telling if somebody really enjoyed it, they really recommend it, did they really love it. I think it's a good indication. I like watching those videos. I hope that you do too. And again, I will leave all the details below with everything that I talked about in this video. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Subscribe, ring, click on that bell. Anytime I share a new video, you'll be notified. Follow me on Instagram as well, Twitter. I'm trying to be more active in Twitter too. And that is it. Thank you guys so much. I will see you guys real soon. Bye.